How to turn on the noise cancellation or the noise reduction option on Android. Before we get started, I want you to head down below to give this video a quick like and subscribe to the channel. Let's begin the video. The first thing that you need to do is open up your phone's caller or dialer. So once you open up your phone's dialer, what you need to do now is tap on the three dots at the top right. But before we go any further, I want you to let us know that this option is available on only certain devices. So if you don't find it, then that means your device does not support the noise cancellation feature. From here, you just tap on the settings menu, and once you get here under the general settings, you will find accessibility. Tap on it and you will find this TTY mode. Just tap on it and set this to TTY full or TTY SCO according to your choice. I suggest you set this to full, and once you do that, it will actively reduce the background noises during your calls. So that is it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys next time.